Ayan, this is our last topic, which is tinatawag na parametric equation. So, what are parametric equations? So, parametric equation class, parang process lang siya, kumbaga. So, sundan nyo lang yung aking gagawin. Yun na yung ating gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, parametric equations, no? When x is equivalent to, pag dalawang functions, then gusto mo siyang, kailangan siyang i-combine. Ito yung process niya. So, we have first function is x is equivalent to 3t squared plus 2t. And yung second function natin is y is equivalent to 5t cubed. Determine our dy over dx. So therefore, hahanapin natin yung dx dito, hahanapin natin yung dy, then ipagpatong natin siya, then tapos na tayo. So that is the idea, kumbaga. Okay? So, try natin to. This one, dito, no? Lagay natin dito yung x, di ba? So yung x prime, so para siyang dx over dt. Di ba? Yung y prime, that is dy over dt. The same lang siya, kumbaga representation lang yan dalawa. Okay, para hindi tayo malito mamaya. So therefore, if hahanapin natin to siya, that is dy over dx, that is derived from dy over dt, then divided by dx over dt. Diba? What will happen if ganito yung ating gagawin, no? Magiging dy over dt. Then, diba, mag-reciprocal siya pag divide, magiging multiply. Diba? Sa elementary days natin, diba ganyan yan? 1/2 divided by 2/3. Diba, magiging 1/2, then multiplied by 3 over 2. Diba? Ganyan. So, same din dito. dt over dx. So, cancel out, dy over dx. So, ibig sabihin lang po ng ganyan, i-derive natin si y, i-derive natin si x, ipagpatong natin silang dalawa. Okay, so therefore, madali lang to, process lang siya. So, unahin natin si y. No, y natin is equivalent to 5t cubed. Diba? Then, meron tayong formula, ilagay ko na lang dito, no? The derivative of any constant un is equivalent to constant n u n minus 1 u prime. Parang note lang siya sa baba. Ayan. Okay? Derive natin to. This will become dy over dt is equivalent to 5 multiplied by 3t, 3 minus 1, then 1. Diba? So therefore, dy over dt is equivalent to 15 t squared. Ayan. Tapos na. How about our x? Parang subtopic lang siya, no? Mini topic. X is equivalent to 3t squared plus 2t. So therefore, dx over dt natin is equivalent to, this is 3 multiplied by 2t, 2 minus 1, then multiplied by 1 plus 2. Diba? Ito is 2 lang siya. So therefore, dx over dt natin is equivalent to 6t plus 2. Last thing is ipagpatong mo siya. Ito. Diba? So therefore, dy over dx is equivalent to 15t squared over 6t plus 2. I think hindi na siya ma-simplify, di ba? Final answer. Ayan. Yan lang siya. Okay, so screenshot po so that we can proceed to our last problem for today. Ayan. So same pa din So hindi ko na i-derive Basta, ang ibig sabihin nito is derivative nito at derivative nito. No, ni-prove ko naman din siya kanina na tama yung ating solution. Okay? So, therefore, sulat natin y is equivalent to cotangent of 2t. Diba? So, therefore, our dy over dt is equivalent to, no, pakitingnan sa formula, what is the derivative of cotangent? No, pang prelim, that is negative cosecant
Negative second times t sir second times
squared of x no or u. Ang u natin is 2t. Then, para siyang tawag chain rule. No? That is multiplied by 2. Because the derivative of 2t is 2. Diba? Okay, prelim topic. So, therefore, that is dy over dt is equivalent to negative 2. Again, paki-review. Baka yung iba nalilito, no? Prelim topic yan, class, no? Cosecant squared 2t. Bumalik lang tayo sa prelim, pero combination lang siya. So, x natin is tangent of 2t. So, what is the derivative of our tangent gani? Yes, pakitingnan.
second sir.
Second, no? Second squared, then 2t. Then, chain rule, what is the derivative of 2t? That is 2. So, bawal siyang i-multiply. Dapat sa labas lang. Diba? So, therefore, magiging dx over dt is equivalent to 2 secant squared of 2t. And then, ipagpatong mo. Tapos na. No? So, dy over dx is equivalent to negative 2 cosecant of 2t or squared 2t divided by 2 secant of squared 2t. Okay, so therefore, dy over dx is equivalent to, paano to? Cosecant tsaka secant. I-convert natin, no, using our, tawag dyan, trigonometric identities. So, isa-isahin na lang natin. Cosecant of t, for example, is equivalent to 1 over sine of t. Again ha, sulat na lang natin. Secant of t is equivalent to 1 over cosine of t. No, trigonometric identities class ha. Trigo ninyo sa inyong high school, no? So, cosine of t, that is 1 over secant. Parang kabaliktaran niya of t. Then, cosine of t over sine of t, diba? That is cotangent of t. Diba? Marami pa yan, no? Nag-twist-twist lang siya. So, itong cosecant natin is i-convert natin into sine. So, magiging negative. Ito is cancel out. Huwag mo na yung problemahin yung 2. Ayan. Negative 1 over sine squared of 2t. Ayan. Yes, yung second natin is mabaliktad siya. Magiging cosine. No? Then, inverse man siya, so mabaliktad ka po siya balik. Magiging cosine squared of 2t over 1. Ayan. So, as we all know, cosine squared divided by sine squared is cotangent. So, therefore, the answer nito is negative cotangent of squared 2t. Final answer. Ayan. So, therefore, that is our final answer. And that is our final na example. So, I think that's it, no? So, screenshot natin to. Okay, again, thank you, class, for the whole semester. See you again next sem if ako yung teacher niyo. I don't know. Depende sa subject na ibibigay. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice Christmas. Have a nice holidays. And New Year na. So, thank you class. Goodbye.